Legends say that a ferocious river monster lives in the waters right below us. And I'm going to find it. No, I'm not scared. Ah! What was that? I think we should go back, Pico. Whoa! Oh no! Pico, we're stuck! The river monster! It's the river monster!
Oh, hi, Junior Ranger Pale. What's going on?
Hi, Leo. I'm stuck in the middle of a river, and there's a giant monster fish in the water.
A giant monster fish?
Yeah, here's a picture of it.
Whoa, it does look scary.
I don't know, Leo. We can't see it clearly. Let's clean up the image on the computer.
Good idea, Katie. I'm right behind you.
And there! The fishes in the water are red-bellied piranhas.
Oh no! Please come get me.
Of course, Teo. Stay put and we'll be right over.
Thanks, Leo. See you soon. Ranger out.
Ranger out. Teo, Pico, we're here.
Leo, Katie, I'm so glad you found us.
Good to see you, Teo. Reach for my hand and climb aboard.
What's that? Whoa! Ah! Oh no!
I've got you, Teo.
Phew! I'm okay.
That was close.
What is it, Hero? There's a piranha on your bed, Teo!
Ah! Get off my back! Shoot! Ah!
Leo, it's over there! Get it! Get it!
I know. I'm trying to grab it.
Get away from me!
I'll get it.
Is it gone?
I think so. Huh? What's that sound? Is it a snake?
No, it's worse! Platypus 1 is sinking! We're sinking!
Ah!
Oh no!
What should we do?
Quick, Leo! Activate submarine mode!
Right, I'm on it. Platypus 1, activate.
We're safe now!
No more piranhas, please!
I can't really see where we're going. The water's so murky.
Switch on the lights, Leo.
Oh, right. Uh-oh.
Yikes! The piranhas are following us! Ah!
Let's use flight mode. They can't follow us if we're in the air. Flight mode, activate. Huh? It's not working.
Oh no! Platypus 1 must still be broken!
Come on, work.
Wow!
Wow!
No!
What's happening?
I can't control it.
I don't want to die! Ah! It's coming for us! Wow! Ah! Whoa!
What a ride!
We're alive!
What is it, Hero? Whoa! Piranha!
Oh no!
Not again!
Stand back, Junior Rangers.
Ranger Rocky!
I got it. Back into the water you go.
Thanks, Ranger Rocky.
I thought we'll get attacked by the piranha for sure. They are river monsters.
I don't know about that, but it was really scary.
Actually, piranhas are not as scary as you may think, Junior Rangers. Red-bellied piranhas may not be cute and cuddly, but they are also not the monsters that TV shows and movies make them out to be.
We've misunderstood them.
I guess we just have to be careful around the red-bellied piranhas.
That's right. Stay away and don't provoke them.
Hit subscribe and click the like icon.